Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I'm Christina and I did something I normally don't do on Sundays. I shopped at Target. If you've been following me for a while, you know that on Sundays I shop at Walgreens and I share the best deals going on at Walgreens for the week, which I did. So if you haven't had a chance to check out that video, definitely do so. But there were so many awesome deals at Target right now that I went ahead and ran over to Target, grabbed these deals, and I'm making the video because I was able to get all of these items completely free. So I wanted to share those with you. Plus, my son is spending time with my mom, so I have a little bit more of a relaxed Sunday to be able to do more work and get ahead for the week. Now, these deals are fantastic. I am going to start with the ice cream. That way I can get it back in my freezer. But I'm going to break these deals down super simple for you. These deals are all digital deals, so you don't have to clip a single paper coupon. Now, if you did watch my Walgreens video, these might look familiar. I actually did this deal at Walgreens, but I'm gonna tell you how you can do it at Target if you're not a Walgreens shopper. So these Talenti raspberry sorbets are priced at $4.99 at Target. Now, my Fetch Rewards app has an offer for 100% in points back for these raspberry sorbets. There's a few different flavors. This is the one my store had, but that was a limit of 3. So I was able to get 3 of these. I paid full price at the register, submitted my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app where I got 100% back for all 3 of them, all on the same receipt. Now, then submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you're gonna get $1 back on each of them for a total of $3 back. Also, submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $2 back for buying 2 of them, making your final cost completely free and a $5 moneymaker. Now, if you're not using the Fetch Rewards app already, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Always double check and make sure you have these offers before doing any of the deals. Okay, let's talk about a few deals that anybody can do just using the Target app. Grab these Airwick plugins, the warmers. They are $3.59. Clip the digital coupon in the Target app for $3.99 off. This will make your cost completely free at the register. The same freebie type deal you can snag on these travel size Beach Defense Neutrogenas. They're priced at $1.99. I clipped the $2 Target Circle coupon, paying $0 at the register. The Ocean Spray Frescas, these are $3.19, but there is a Target Circle offer for 50% off. That leaves you to pay just $1.59, but then check your Ibotta app because I had a $1 rebate, making this just 59 cents. Now, another Ibotta deal that you can do is on these core bars. So these core bars are found in the refrigerated section at Target. They're $2.29. Clip the 40% off Target Circle offer. You'll pay $1.49. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. You'll get $1 back, making your final cost just 49 cents. Now, for some reason you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, this is a decent deal on the poise pads. The cheapest one my store had was $5.29. I know other people are able to find these for $4 and change at their store, but there is a $4 digital coupon. So if yours are just over $4, that will make them like just pennies to buy. My cheapest one was $5.29. I had that $4 digital coupon, making these poise pads just $1.29. Always submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because I did get some points back for buying the Poise products. There's an even better deal on Poise products at Walgreens, and I have that in my video from Sunday. Now, the Shopkick razor. This bamboo razor, if you can find it in your store, is $5.99. There is a $4 digital coupon that you can clip from the Target app, paying just $1.99. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you'll get $2 back, making this item completely free. Now, I saved my favorite deals for the end. It is using the Shopkick app. So if you are brand new to Shopkick, now's the time to grab it. Grab it using my referral code SWC5 because you'll score an additional $5 when you scan your first receipt. But I did this deal, I maxed it. I did it 5 times on the Shopkick app. So with Shopkick, you do a deal. When you get your points credited to you, a lot of times the offer will reset or you'll see it come back for you to do it again. But you can only do it once, then you have to wait to see if it resets for you to be able to go and do it again. But there was a bundle deal for Procter & Gamble products. So this is what I did. I grabbed one of these Dawns, priced at $1.19. And as of this morning, you could still do this deal. I don't know when Shopkick will get rid of these bundle deals, so you'll always have to check your apps. I grabbed the Dawn at $1.19. I then grabbed the Febreze spray at $2.99. And I got the Mr. Clean liquid cleaner for $2.99. You could also do Mr. Clean magic erasers that were $2.99. You can mix and match however you want. Now, I paid $7.17 at the register. No coupons, just paid the $7.17. Then I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got $7.90 back, making all the products free and a 73-cent moneymaker. Now with Shopkick, every 250 points is equivalent to $1. Okay, so hopefully that helps there. So it was like 1,975 kicks. That was equivalent to the $7.90 that I got back. Now you're also going to want to submit your receipt to PG Good Everyday Rewards Program. That is a completely free program, but you can submit receipts for the Procter & Gamble items that you purchase. The program will give you 50 points per item, and then you can exchange those points for gift cards. So 750 points is equivalent to a $5 gift card for the most part. And I actually ended up with 2 free Starbucks drinks this week because I had so many Procter & Gamble points. If you want to sign up for that program, again, completely free, I will drop a link for it down in my video description box. The last deal that I did also involves Shopkick. It's on the L'Oreal Dream Links, either the shampoo or the conditioner. They're priced at $3.99. That's what I paid at the register. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got $1 back. I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app, where I got $1 back. And I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app, where I got $1.48 back, making my final cost just 51 cents total for this, what did I get? The conditioner. Okay, that was everything. And again, when I add it all up, everything was completely free and a moneymaker. So great deals at Target this week. I'm still hoping to hit CVS and get a CVS video posted for you guys shortly, so stay tuned for that. And of course, I will do my Walmart haul on Wednesday this week. If you enjoy seeing my deals, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks.